A single headlight splits the dark. Are you ready to ride safe? Here are 13 beginner-friendly bikes you can truly trust. Genuine Buddy 125. Automatic scooter, stable and intuitive. CF Moto 450 CLC, parallel twin, ABS, modest power. Royal Enfield Bullet 350. Simple, single, lightweight and durable. Kawasaki Ninja 300. Sporty feel, but forgiving for new riders. Triumph Speed 400. Thumper engine, smooth torque delivery. Kymco People 150. Big wheels, stable ride, easy control. KTM Duke 250. 31 HP, aggressive styling, manageable for novices. A moped, ultra basic, forgiving, perfect first ride. Yamaha XT250. Dual purpose, solid both on and off-road. Harley-Davidson Street 500. Compact cruiser, V-twin charm. Honda Rebel 300. Reliable cruiser, modern features, easy to handle. Suzuki SV650. Twin engine, lightweight chassis, nimble feel. Honda Grom. Tiny, playful, ideal for urban riding.